This video is about calculating energy transfers. Work is done when charge flows through a circuit. This is equal to energy transferred electrically. It depends upon current, potential difference, and time. An example of energy transferred is a resistor getting hot when charge flows. The energy transferred electrically can be calculated using the equation E is equal to P times T, where E is the energy in joules, P is the power in watts, and T is the time in seconds. Remember that power is equal to current times potential difference, so energy transferred electrically can also be calculated using the equation E is equal to I times V times T, where E is still energy measured in joules, I is current measured in amperes, and V is potential difference measured in volts. T is still the time measured in seconds. Always double check your units for time are in seconds, and if not, convert them. A kettle transfers 270,000 joules of electrical energy in 2 minutes and 15 seconds to boil 300 milliliters of water. Calculate the maximum power rating of the kettle, assuming no energy is lost during the process, for 4 marks. First, check the units are all standard. Boiling time is in minutes and seconds, so it must be converted into seconds. It is best to break it down. 2 minutes is equal to 120 seconds. 2 minutes and 15 seconds is equal to 120, add 15, which equals 135 seconds, for 1 mark. Calculate the power rating of the kettle. Recall the equation for calculating electrical energy transferred. Energy is equal to power times time. We arrange the equation to make power P the subject by dividing both sides by T to get P is equal to E divided by T for 1 mark. Substitute in the values for E and T. P is equal to 270,000 divided by 135 for 1 mark. So power P is equal to 2,000 watts for the final mark. Don't let the water volume distract you. It's just there to give a specific situation of the amount of time and energy it takes a certain volume of water to boil. In summary, work is done when charge flows through a circuit. This is equal to the energy transferred electrically. It depends upon the current potential difference and time of the electricity passing through the device. Heat from current passing through a resistor is one example of electrical energy transferred. Energy transferred electrically is calculated using the 2 equations. Energy transferred in joules is equal to power in watts times time in seconds. Energy transferred in joules is also equal to current in amperes times potential difference in volts times time in seconds. Don't forget to check out all our other fantastic revision resources here at Save My Exams.